Hi, I'm Angela. I'm the founder of Cult of Reason Skincare, and here you'll find videos to introduce the products and to give you tutorials for how to use the accessories. So my skin is clean now, and I have applied a little bit of Quench on top. Let that soak in for a second, and then I'm going to apply Shield. This is going to give glide to our gua sha stones. So, a little gua sha baggie and gua sha stones. I'll show you a quick traditional gua sha movement if you suffer from allergies. So take this tool on the back of the neck here. Remember, gua sha means scraping and bruise. We don't want to go so far that we hurt ourselves, but we want to get a vigorous motion here. So I'm going to start with the broad side, and where this kind of muscular hump is, I'm going to vigorously bring up the blood. You can even use the smaller end too, to get some good scraping. I'd like to see this area turn red. Now I'm going to turn to the other direction and make sure I get the other end. And now I'm going to come back, vibrate this small end into the hollows of the cheekbone here. Be careful because it's slick. You can see there's a little redness happening here. This has a little more vigor to it. This is good for allergies. Starting at the back of the neck, you can see it's probably a little red back there. And then coming to these hollows in through here. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy your Cult of Reason products. Gua sha stone. I'd love to get feedback from you. Please leave a comment. And if you have any questions or concerns, please always reach out to me. I'm Angela Huggins, and I am the creator of Cult of Reason Skincare. Thanks so much. On the website, you'll find t-shirts and totes, tumblers, all of our product, complete product descriptions, and fun accessories. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your Cult of Reason products.